it's Rachel from Glambytes. Thanks for joining me for another back to school video. Today, I wanted to share with you some easy back to school, after school snack recipe ideas, with everything being from my local ShopRite. Now, if your kids are anything like mine, they are absolutely starving when they walk in the door after school. So here are 4 easy recipe ideas for you. My absolute favorite are these energy bites. They're just 4 ingredients and so delicious. All you're gonna do is combine 3 cups of quick oats, 1 cup of creamy peanut butter, a half a cup of honey, and a half a cup of chocolate chips. Mix it all together and roll into balls. Just be sure to refrigerate for 1 hour. Now, you can use regular oats with these and they come out just as great. I just find kids like the quick oats a little bit better because of the finer texture. And you can also use any kind of nut butter you like. And if you're nut free, you can substitute and use a sun butter. I always try to keep a batch of these in the fridge because they make a great snack for any time of the day. Just be sure to make enough because I guarantee you're gonna wanna eat them too. Now, continuing on with the peanut butter and chocolate trend, because who doesn't love that combination, are these apple nachos. What I love about these is you can top them with anything that you'd like. All you're gonna do is slice up some apples. You're gonna lay the apples flat. Then drizzle with some melted peanut butter. Top with some chocolate chips. Some raisins, and even granola. These are always a huge hit. Next up are these mini yogurt parfaits. So on Sundays, we like to do our grocery shopping, meal prep for the week, so I always make sure I throw a few of these together so we have them on hand. All you do is simply layer wholesome pantry, low-fat yogurt, with some strawberries, and granola. Now, I even sometimes will use frozen strawberries with these. What I find is as the strawberries slowly defrost, it helps naturally sweeten up the yogurt. And you can also use any kind of fruit that you would like. Another great snack idea are these English muffin pizzas. These have been a go-to in my house for as long as I can remember. All you're gonna do is take your bowl and basket English muffin, top with some sauce, and some shredded mozzarella. And you're going to bake in an oven or toaster oven until the cheese is fully melted. These are always a crowd pleaser. And that wraps up today's video. I hope you enjoyed these after school snack ideas. And they're not only great for after school, but any time of the day. And be sure to check out my other video where I'm sharing my back to school snack haul. And remember, ShopRite has everything you need for back to school and more. See you next time.